Welcome everyone. I am excited to start this series where we will explore the power of Elasticsearch and learn how to build amazing things with it. In this introductory video, I will give you a global view of what we will cover throughout the series. Let's dive in. Elasticsearch is a versatile search engine that offers flexibility in deployment. You can install it locally for personal use or use it in the cloud for large-scale applications. For personal projects, running Elasticsearch locally with Docker is a great option. However, if you are working with an organization handling vast amounts of data, cloud deployment might be the way to go for easier scalability and management. Now let's talk about getting your data into Elasticsearch. Data is organized into indices or vector stores. So in this example, I have 3 indices. These can be stored either locally or in the cloud. Elasticsearch is incredibly versatile, accepting various data types such as pure text, numbers, dates, and even vectors if you want to use embeddings. This flexibility makes Elasticsearch a powerful tool for a wide range of applications. Okay, so once your data is indexed, the possibilities are endless. You can build, for example, powerful search engines, intelligent recommendation systems, and RAG systems, retrieval augmented generation. Throughout this series, we will work on practical examples to apply the techniques you will learn, giving you hands-on experience with great applications of Elasticsearch. While Elasticsearch supports multiple programming languages, we will focus on using the Python client in this series. I hope this overview has piqued your interest in Elasticsearch and its capabilities. In the upcoming videos, we will delve deeper into each topic, providing you with the knowledge and skills to harness the full power of Elasticsearch. Stay tuned and let's embark on this exciting journey together.